Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all one of my favorites, which is shrimp for hops. If you've never had a good curry shrimp with hops bread or any type of bun, you all are definitely going to love this. So let's get started on preparing this. So I have my shrimp already cleaned and deveined, and to that I'm adding in salt. Next I'm going to add in some fish seasoning. This helps enhance the flavor of the shrimp. Next goes in some pimento flakes. So for those of you all who can't get pimento pepper, you can now get pimento flakes. In goes in chopped onion, 1 tomato chopped, green seasoning, and I'm going to grate in 3 cloves of garlic. And when I do curry, I always like to use extra garlic. When I do stew, I always tell you I use less. So give that a mix. Mix until it's properly incorporated. After which you'll set it aside to marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, to a skillet, add in your oil. You want your heat to be on a medium-low for this. And then go in with your curry powder. This is my absolute favorite curry powder to use, guys. It has so much flavor and you don't have to put anything additional with it. So we're going to toast this curry on that medium-low heat until it feels grainy. Once it feels grainy, we're going to go ahead and add in some water to cook the curry. And you're going to cook that until it turns into a thick paste and the oils start separating from the curry. So this is how it should look. Now it's time to add in your shrimp. Add in your shrimp and give it a good mix. You want to coat those shrimp in that delicious curry. Now this shrimp is not going to take very long to cook, so you need to crank your heat up to high now. And you're going to cook this. You don't want there to be too much of liquid in your shrimp, so don't add any. You're going to cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Cook it just until the shrimp turns opaque, it's pink in color, and it has formed a C. And that's how you'll know that your shrimp is ready. You don't want to overcook the shrimp because it can become rubbery. So at this point you want to taste and adjust your salt, and now this is ready to be enjoyed on hops or a bun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Give it a try if you've never had curry shrimp and hops bread. It is out of this world delicious, amazing, one of my favorite things to eat with hops. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. If you're new and you like what you see, I hope you also subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.